Hello, our art friends. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute jellyfish in simple steps, easy to follow. First, we are going to draw the top of the body. We'll draw 3 little bumps at the top. Then complete the body so it will look like a hill. Close the body at the bottom with a wavy line. Then we'll draw a pair of happy eyes. And a laughing mouth with a tongue inside. The tongue kinda looks like the top of a heart. Decorate the bottom of the body with some tiny lines to give it some texture. Now for the important part, the tentacles. We'll start with the tentacles at the front. We'll draw 3 whole tentacles, each one looking like a snake. Then we'll start drawing the tentacles at the back. They will be partially hidden behind the 3 at the front. We'll start with 2 tentacles in the middle that intersect with each other at the bottom. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then we'll draw another 2, one on each side. Feel free to draw these tentacles going any direction you want. Now you can draw a cute jellyfish. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. I'm sure it will be outstanding. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.